So you've never used an iDryNeedle MAXpack before. Let me talk you through it. The first thing you'll notice when you open a package is that instead of individually packaged needles, each inner package has 5 needles and 1 guide tube. So this is how you use it. Obviously, with less clutter, we take the guide tube, and as far as loading and resheathing the needle, the recommendation is to do it handle first versus the opposite, sharp end towards your fingers. From there, if we get our needle in the ready position, we can insert and treat. Keeping this in our grasp, we can then reload and reuse. So the beauty behind the iDryNeedle MAXpack, first of all, less clutter. Easy to load and use multiple needles in one session. Secondly is the needle math. 8 cents per needle. Really that means if you use 3 out of the 5 needles in a package, it's still a better value than the individually packaged needles out there. So just a quick demo on how to use and explain one of our brand new products. Honestly, it's getting great feedback, called the iDryNeedle MAXpack, available in 40, 50, and 60 millimeter sizes.